Hello, it's Colin here from Oakwyn. I'm at 3314 Port Washington Road on Pender Island in the beautiful southern Gulf Islands. This property offers just under 2.7 acres, south-facing, overlooking the ocean. The house itself was built in 1995, is located on the ridge on top of the hill, which you approach from the long winding private driveway. And this is the view that you come to from the house. So you can sit on your private deck, enjoying your drink, looking out over the view. You're located right in the middle of Hope Bay and the dock at Port Washington, which is where the seaplanes go to Vancouver, so you have great access if you need to get to the lower mainland quickly. You also have access to the ferries to Vancouver Island at Schwartz Bay, just a 40-minute ride, or you can also go to the lower mainland at Tsawwassen, about 2.25 hours, unless you get the direct ferry, which is about an hour and a half. Enjoy this idyllic atmosphere with your south-facing patio overlooking the ocean.